Have you heard the whispers GPT-5 is coming? And it's not just an upgrade, it might change everything. OpenAI hasn't officially released it yet, but the leaks, the demos, the subtle feature shifts in ChatGPT, they're all telling a story. A story of something massive quietly being built behind the scenes. So what do we really know about GPT-5 right now? Let's break it down, fast, raw, and no hype. First, let's be clear. GPT-5 isn't just GPT-4, but better. It's reportedly trained on more data, with longer context windows, and has multimodal capabilities baked in from the start. We're talking vision, voice, and real-time memory, all in one unified model. And if you've used ChatGPT recently, you've probably noticed something. Off. It's faster, smarter, it remembers more, and in some cases it even talks back with emotions. Why? Because what we're seeing now in ChatGPT, especially in GPT-4o, is likely a pre-release shell powered by GPT-5's core capabilities. It's the soft launch before the storm. Insiders have hinted that GPT-5 is trained to understand not just what we say, but why we say it. It's better at detecting emotion, interpreting tone, and adapting responses to match human intent. That's next-level alignment, and it doesn't stop there. OpenAI is testing agentic behavior, meaning GPT-5 could soon run tasks on its own, like booking a flight, coding an app, editing a video, or running a business, with zero human supervision. That's not AI as a tool, that's AI as a partner. Now let's talk context window. GPT-5 reportedly has a context window exceeding 1 million tokens. That's the equivalent of reading and understanding multiple books at once. Imagine asking it to read 20 PDFs, cross-reference the data, and give you an answer. Instantly. That's the direction this is heading. And then there's memory. Not the short-term kind GPT-4 uses, but real, persistent memory. GPT-5 is rumored to remember who you are, your preferences, your tone, your goals, even your values. This means in the future, you won't just talk to ChatGPT, you'll live with it, and it'll grow with you. There's also the multi-agent architecture rumor. That GPT-5 isn't just one model, but a network of smaller AI agents that collaborate under the hood. One handles math, one handles logic, one handles creativity. And they work together in real time like an AI brain made of specialists. Sounds wild? Here's what we know from OpenAI themselves. SamAltman confirmed GPT-5 is in active training and safety testing is underway. And if past release timelines hold, a public preview or full release could land between mid-late 2025 to early 2026. Now, what does this mean for you? If you're a content creator, GPT-5 could script, voice, and edit your videos. If you're a student, it might write essays that teach you as it writes. If you're a developer, it could write entire applications from just a few sentences. And if you're an entrepreneur, GPT-5 might literally run your business. But here's the twist. OpenAI has already begun gating features. GPT-4o is free, but advanced tools, real-time memory, and voice are behind the paywall. So it's very possible GPT-5 will roll out gradually, with premium tiers, regional access, and safety filters depending on use case. There are even early conversations about regulating AI agents, meaning your access to GPT-5 could depend on your profession or industry. So, while we don't have the full model yet, we do have the signs, the subtle upgrades, the hidden shifts, the product behavior that screams, GPT-5 is already here. We're just not allowed to call it that yet. If you've noticed your AI tools getting smarter, faster, and more human, you're not imagining it. It's the quiet rollout of the biggest leap since ChatGPT launched. So stay sharp, experiment, learn the new features. Because the people who ride the wave early, they're the ones who profit most. This is more than a tech update. It's the start of a new era, and you're living in it. Like, share, and drop a comment. What do you want GPT-5 to be able to do?